So when I think above the tie, I think ultimate luxury shave. And this S1 Slant in this beautiful titanium finish is no exception. The twisted blade, rigid design makes for a more efficient, smooth shave. One feature I love is fully covered blade tabs so you don't get nicked up under your nose. And the product is 100% machined in the USA. And I love that, guys. The S1 Slant Titanium from above the tie is just the ultimate luxury razor. Dude. I've had a rough couple of weeks, I'm not gonna lie. So today, I think I'm gonna treat myself to a nice, luxurious, relaxing Sunday shave. And when I think luxury, and I think relaxing, and I think shaving, I think DE. So today, I'm gonna go with a luxury brand, machined and made right here in the United States. Above the tie, their classic S1 Titanium Slant Razor. Love this razor. It's light, but it's solid. Beautifully machined with that twisted, rigid slant design that just makes shaving smooth and luxurious. I'm gonna be combining that with a beautiful soap and aftershave splash from the fine folks at Pastor and HC&C. This is their Colabora. Beautiful. Let's take a look. Oh, just a luxurious blend of dark and musky flavors, which I'll go through during the shave, and this artful design. I'm gonna be using my favorite, the Pacific Shaving Natural Cork Handle brush for the shave. Again, guys, I've had a tough couple of weeks. Stressful. So I'm ready to get into the shave. What am I waiting for? Let's go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add some near hot water to a face cloth and steam up. Now typically I jump in the shower and get a steam going, but today I'm doing this on the run. So this is probably about a week and a half's worth of growth. We'll jump right into the shave. Add a little near hot to this beautiful brush, and I'm gonna leave that wet, and I'm gonna go right into this container of soap. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna create a nice swirl of this wonderful lather. Maybe it's a little soupy, we'll find out. And then I'm gonna go right onto the beard and agitate just this wonderful, lovely soap. This Colabora soap is just wonderful. The top notes are apple, lavender, bergamot, and mandarin orange. The mid notes, geranium, violet, and jasmine. Finishing it all up on the base notes, vanilla, cardamom, sandalwood, pepper, guaiac wood, and patchouli. It's dark, it's mysterious, it's warm.
It's lovely, it's premium, it's luxury.
And it makes easy lather and provides a slick, beautiful barrier between your face and the blade. Lovely soap. Outlining where I want to shave. Oh, that's nice. Just a wonderful scent, guys. PastorPharmacy.com is where you would pick this up, or you can get into the city if you're in New York City. The owner, Leon of Pastor, he's a great guy. Tell him the average guy sent you. All right, so I'm gonna start right around here. I'm gonna start low because I don't wanna mess up the sideburns. This is a nice, smooth, and efficient razor. Also down here, I want to leave some beard under the chin. So if I wanted to get full ZZ top, with the goatee, I have a baseline for that to grow. So I'll outline that first. And first pass feels good. Again, I'm cutting the sideburns long, just a little longer than probably where I'm gonna have them, because you can't put the hair back, guys. You can cut it off, but you can't put it back. So measure twice, cut once, right? In this instance, we're gonna cut once, see how it is, and cut again. And again, keeping this long under, so I have a base for longer stubble. So I wanted to go ZZ top, you know what I mean? So that first pass is looking good. It's feeling good. Feeling smooth. All right. So now, as you can see, I've gone fat. I've left a lot. Left a lot of cream. I'm gonna come in here. And I'll expose that. Get a better feel for how I want to shape this goatee and my sideburns. So I typically like a thinner goatee, but right now I've given myself the option. I'll leave the sideburns to the end. Let's come back in here with that original pull. We're gonna do a cross grain shave. Nice. Oh, what a wonderful efficient shave so far. So good, just so nice. I want to thank the folks at Above the Tie for sending me this wonderful razor. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check out their products. And you can get over and let them know the average guy sent you. You will not be disappointed, guys. It's just wonderful, wonderful. Smooth, easy, efficient, and manufactured here in the US. I love the fact no blade tabs, which is key when you're going up and you're doing that cross grain pass. The blade tab can really get under you and really nick you up around your ears. Those blade tabs can be really dangerous. All right. I'll rinse off again with some cool water, and then I gotta make some decisions about the width of this beard. For this pass, I like to see what I'm doing, and that does not look too bad. I might leave it a little longer this time, and I just want to make sure I'm matching the width. Very, very nice. Both sides look pretty even. I can adjust this after the shave with one blade. But for right now, very, very nice. Now let's go up to the sideburns. I'm going to use this point of my ear on both sides as where I want that sideburn to start. I'm a little higher, and I'll come back up here and I'll do the same. Again, I could get in there with one blade and straighten it out. All right, so last but not least, I'm gonna do my third pass. Go back to that original pull of Colabora, and we'll do our final against grain pass. Oh, I'm really smelling that apple come through. Oh, yeah. That lavender, wow. Just a wonderful scent, guys. Third and final pass. This is gonna be an against grain pass. So I'm gonna go against the grain up on my face and neck, not trying to do too much. We're letting the device do the work, guys. So you're not pressing, you're not digging, you're just shaving, and you're shaving away all that stress from, like I said, a pretty stressful week, couple of weeks. Oh yeah. Luxury shave in the books. Now I'll rinse off with cool water. Get my face ready for the aftershave to close things down. Let's do that. Finish this shave off with the accompanying aftershave splash. Oh yeah. On the splash, I'm really picking up the vanilla, the guaiac wood. Very, very nice. Sandalwood. Beautiful. All right. There you have it. I want to thank you guys for watching. I also want to thank my friends at Above the Tie for sending me this beautiful classic S1 Slant Titanium luxury razor. Again, get over to Above the Tie and check them out. Let them know the average guy sent you. Also, get over to pastorpharmacy.com and check out their full selection of artisan soaps, aftershave, eau de toilette. Check them out, and I'll leave links in the description box below. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music. Roll the music, dude.